we were able to do what we wanted to do and satisfy Fish and Game that we were not creating a problem but solving a problem, working with them basically. And so I have a good relationship. I'm on a first name basis with people at the River Center, and I'm real happy about that. We made the changes to protect the habitat. I mean, obviously, we've gone and been educated, so to speak. We've gone to the River Center, we've talked with people who know what to do. There's a quantity, quite a bit of literature out there. There's quite a bit of people who are willing to share their knowledge about what to do, how to do it, what not to do. There's restaurants, there's hotels, there's gift shops and whatnot, and all it's just good business to take care of the river that's bringing those tourists to us. But on a personal level, if you like salmon fishing, you've got to play your part to make it good. The king salmon used to be 40, 50, 60, on up to 80 pounds, fairly common. Now, if somebody catches a 35-pound king, the guide pats him on the back and gives him an attaboy. It's very disappointing to somebody who's seen an 80-pound king. When we were putting out the dock, one of our members actually pointed into the water and he goes, "Oh man," he said, "I'd never noticed that before. There's salmon fry, swimming right along the bank, so we're doing our part."